All right, so we are still on sketch, transfer, and trace. Also, how to trace your garment. All right, so we can remember this. This is a previous one that we did. There's a previous. So let's see. Let me see. All right, so this is also another simple straight dress that I did with my hand, but I used pen this time around to draw this garment, a piece of garment, straight dress. All right, so I have a lot of pleats and other folding lines just to depict some folding effect. So I've already scanned my work, so it's on this device. So I'm going to import this image into the CAD system, then I will trace it out and see how we are going to achieve it on the CAD system. All right, so let's go. So this is the Cora. All right, so this is the empty. All right, so this is the empty space. So let's import. Move the mouse to the file. You go to import. All right, so let's look for it. It's on the desktop. So where is it? All right, so there's a scan. All right, so we see the scan. So import. So that is it. All right, so this is the work. So let's try and so let's start tracing the work. All right, so let's get magnifying to glass then. All right, so let's start. So this the edges or the whole work has a lot of curves and a lot of funky lines. So lines that sometimes I can't even define some of the lines. So I would prefer that we use the pen tool. All right, so you go to the this particular tool, you can see a set of related tools where we have the freehand, 2-point, blah, 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 blah. So Bezier tool, you can also use the Bezier tool, but I prefer that we use the pen tool to trace the outline or the whole sketch. All right, so let's go. We are starting. All right, so that is it. So I'm trying to trace. Right, so I'm trying to trace this and the whole body, the whole the outline then. All right, so this let me see. This looks a little difficult, but it's very simple. Very, very simple. What I'm doing is very simple. Very simple, can I show you? It's very simple. Very simple. Just move along the line. Yes, the line. All right. If you don't get it on the line, don't worry. After it, you start shaping. So should not worry. And then, so that is it. I'm done. All right, so let me zoom it and start shaping it. All right, so I pick the shape tool and let's start shaping. All right, so because I want the outline to come out, that I want to see the outline. You see, the whole design is I use a pen, so I think it's darker, and I'm having the outline also as a dark line, so I will not be able to see it. So I want to change the color. Let me change the color of the outline that I just let me see how to get that line. Let me stand. Okay, so I think I got it. So let me try maybe red. Okay, so that I can I'll be able to see the outline then. Try and shape it. So that is it. Shape tool. So here, it's going to take time. Let's take your time. So just keep watching. So it's about knot. So you should have to remember, if you want to move the line, you have to create a knot. You have to create a knot. If you want to move it, you have to create a knot. So it's all about knot creation. All right. So let's see. Convert to curves, and then. All right, so I'm done with the outline. So let's look. Let's tackle. All right, so let me tackle the front, the chest. So let's see. All right, so I'll still use the pen tool to get some of the pleats or the folding effect done. All right, so that is it. Stand here. Alright, so what I did, let me go undo. Alright, so once you have one line being done, there's one folding effect. So you can just copy, you can just Control C, Control V to paste, then you pull it to the other side. Alright, then you can start shaping it to get any shape that you want. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so alright. So this is the neck. I'm going to tackle the neck. Alright, so we can see the same design here. So all that I have to do is copy and paste and bring it here and mirror it. Alright, then try to get it. So this particular region, the waist, I'm going to introduce a shape. Just then I'll convert it to curves. Alright then. Alright, so it's an option. You can also decide to use the pen tool to just get the shapes down. Alright, so I'm just delete it. So I'm trying to create knot to follow the outline. So what I'm doing is I'm just tracing the outline of what I use the pen to draw. Alright. So if you want to create a knot, double click. Alright, then just lift it. Send it to wherever you want to send it. So I keep telling you that a knot, you cannot shape any figure or any shape on the CAD system, especially that of Coreldraw. Alright, so Coreldraw is all about creation of knot and playing around the knot. Alright, so I'm done. Let me just convert all the curves. Alright, so this will help me. Any point that I stand, I can just click on it and already all the knot has been converted to curves. So this will help me just speed up the curve nature of the edges. You just stand on it and it's as simple as that. Alright. Alright, so see what is happening. Where it needs some little shape, then you shape it. Alright. Alright, so now let's see. I think there's a little. This is a little cat. Right, so let me also concentrate now on some of the pleats or some of the folding effect. Okay, so we're done with the waist. Let's move down, up, down to that C. Alright, so that is it. Right, so we have a lot of food here. Let's begin to create it. Alright, so I'm done here too. So we are moving. Alright, so let me see what I can do to this place too. Let me get a pen tool. Then try to create this region. So I'll just follow the lines. Alright, that is it. Then I'll shape it. Alright, so I'll just convert all to curves, then the edges. This will help me to speed up the shaping. On all the node I converted to curves. Once you click on it, to give it a curve that you want. Alright, so thank you. Alright, so let me just copy this one and give the same effect here. Shape 2. Alright, so I'm done with this one. Let's move. So with a pen tool, let's get the folding effect done. Alright, so let's go to the hands. I think I've left something here. Okay. Okay. Alright, pick 2, then select it, then curve it. It's as simple as that. Select the line, then select the curve, and do the effect. Alright, so I believe that I'm done with the whole face. Alright, so let me click on my image and remove it, drag it. Alright, so that is it. Yes, I think I have it. So that is it. This outline was red. Then go back, right click, then you get it. Okay. So that is it for today. So this is today's lesson: how to trace a straight line from your traditional way of drawing that I said. You can use any pen or pencil to just get your sketches on your piece of paper or maybe your sketchbook. Then you scan it, then you transfer onto the device that is contained in the CAD system. Then you import it to the software, designing software. Then you trace. So I want to highlight on it that the design for the software design is an open source. You can use any kind of design software design that you want. But I think that Coreldraw is also very good designing software for your campaigners, fashion designers, as I keep saying it. So on this note, I'm done, and I thank you so much for watching. All right, so my name is Edmond Alexander Saki, aka Sugar, Department of Fashion Design and Textile Studies. Thank you once again for watching.